Sanibonani and welcome back to Umkosinaphilile. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much ukuthi ungene. Mangaba subscribe, please do so. Subscribe and like the video, share the video as well. So now guys, so khuluma ke ngodaba luka Matthew Lani, of which Matthew Lani uthi yena kukhona ugogo thizeni lo gogo loyo ongakhulunywayo because mhlambe ngiyacabanga ukuthi usaba ukuthi uzoboshwa bazomsuwa njengoba nenkinga engakanje uMatthew Lani omgosini kuningi bafowethu they will sue you mangabo baqambela amanga. So uthi uMatthew Lani there's a particular traditional healer okuyikuthi phela umesho lolo daba lolo ku video yakhe that particular traditional healer mangabe angwaqamba amanga is the traditional healer owathi yena akujola nendoda yakhe ngoba uma ungajola nendoda yakhe uzothatha 1 no 2 ahlanganise profile pic yakho kwiwendumbeni kuyenziwani ke uthakathwe lapho mangabe untshontsha indoda yakhe. But this particular traditional healer, the African scientist okwazi ukuthakatha okwazi ukwenzani ongathi indoda yakhe ke kune audio esitrenda kuthiwa ke ujolile leyo bhuti and then kujoleni lapho wabuye wazala nengane ngaphandle. Yilo gogo lo kade boshiwe muva nje ubeboshiwe ugogo and khanya ngathi kulodaba lukhona indoda yakhe iyajola yabe yazale nengane mhlambe wabuye wathola ugogo ukuthi mayisetholile zazimbi indaba ukuthi Matthew Lani udaba luthatha but do not know. So upload le video nini Matthew Lani ethi there is a particular traditional into isangoma ngizoyi-attach ke le video bafethu eGobhozo Lani. But manje mase kusiya kule audio le uyo lo gogo kade boshiwe nguye futhi lo gogo owathi yena ungajela nendoda ehaminza kuloya mina ngiyathakatha mina ngiyathini wathi ngizothatha i-profile picture angazi i-profile picture zoyithatha ayihlanganise nani ayihambise ke ku PA yakhe benzeni kushuthi mhlawumbe uzohlanya or uzothini phela sike sabona ama baby daddies kagogo loyana engathi azithi you know angazi bafethe abantu bablame ama drugs abanye bethi hayi ugogo vele uyathakatha washo ukuthi yena uyathakatha nje ngempela ubaby daddy ongondli sababona laba wathi kuthiwa abondli bevelela inkinga sathi kusho ukuthi African scientist ugogo you know what I mean. Kodwa ke manje indoda mayikwazi ukujola ijola izizale ngaphandle uqeda ustraightenisha wathi wena akujolwa nendoda yakho. Hey, so uMatthew Lani ke manje ulifaka udaba kathi that gogo that particular one. So manje ngilindi ukuthi ngimamele ki audio ngoba phela akushiwonga ukuthi ugogo ntontoni kuthiwe nje that particular sangoma she's a traditional what mase ngiya lapha ku audio hawo nguye lo gogo beboshiwe muva nje. So indoda ibijola ngathi indoda ijole yazala ingane ngaphandle allegedly kodwa kuwayeka straightenish ngaze ngenza ivideo ngiyakhumbula ukudala ngathi guys ngicela ningayintshontshe le ndoda uma umbona nje lo bhuti akusabonisa nje athi sabona ubaleke ngenyawo zombili ngoba hey lo mama utheni uzoyenza 1 no 2 no 3 I don't trust I think angakwenza vele kanti lutho ubhuti uzijwayele umathanda siyasatshiswa la on social media yazi siyasatshiswa nje vele nisatshiswa nje kuthi mina ngithi ngingathi indoda yami umuntu angathi indoda yami abajwayele naye baze bazala ngabanjani bona hayi kunzima. But anyway let me attach that video ka Matthew Lani ke ekhuluma ngaloyo gogo bese ungahambi ngoba ekugcineni kunaleyo audio uzozizwela wena ukuthi uphi loyo gogo lo kade bembophile.
Hey Zgaqa type uphiwe uzongisuwa. I don't know, I must find another word. So guys, story time. Hey, so there is this celebrity. Well, it's a couple celebrity. This couple, the female is known as a practitioner of dark magic. Bo Hogwarts reporter type of vibe. You understand? And she's always, you know, threatening to target people. You understand? Right now there is a swasho that you could buy, and in 3 days you get a 2 million rent Mercedes Benz. You understand? But that's fine. So it was then recently revealed that the husband was cheating on her to an extent where he had a baby outside of the marriage, allegedly. And we have a recording of this. So now in this recording, the husband is telling the other chick, Ogoti, listen, me and my wife, we are trying to build something. We are understander. We are destabilized. And a girl in the background, Uti, because I practice dark magic, no report on me. Nizoguyenza. We understand. Guys, listen to the audio.
La nginomfazi, we tried to build a future. Ngiyacela uphume empilweni zethu. Thank you.
No, tell her that you don't want to be with her, you don't want to see her, and I have a fucking address, okay? And her stupid ass that whatever you guys were doing together, it is over. And I'm not going to leave you for a rat that stays in Turffontein. A stupid girl of Fasipondo, or you thought it was good enough for you to come. You tell her that you're not interested in that shit. Because she's shit. And you tell her that she's shit. She was only good for then. She's not something you're going to build a future with because she's a fucking asshole.
Lalela,